Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. Today, a very short update. My little disclaimer first, it's no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested in all of these stocks like Riot, Mara, Digital, Hive, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, Hut8, Galaxy Digital, and Ether Capital. This is my my recent or newest investment right now. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Today I want to show you my portfolio update. It's 7 or 8 days ago since I showed you the last update. So this was 1 week ago here on the left side. So we can see this week the stock portfolio has grown again and with no additional capital. So it was organic growth because the stocks some were doing good, some not so. But overall, it was a good week, I can say. Yeah, let's go on to the stock portfolio. We can see here I'm in this week 38% up. I was a lot higher with the big jump with Argo, but I missed it to sell a lot of Argo stocks or shares. So yeah, it pumped and it dropped again, but it is how it is. I'm still happy with 38%. Yeah, but first of all, I added this Ether Capital stock here, a small position right now. It's only 7% in green or so, so no big growth right now. But I expect more growth with the rise of Ethereum price. We can see here Argo Blockchain. I sold some stocks, but only a few, and I shifted some into Hut8. So yeah, Hut8 dropped with the price, so that's why my position in Hut8 decreased a little bit from last week. So Argo a big plus here, but with no additional capital, I sold some Argo stocks. Digital also from 4% to 8%. That was great organic growth this week. Yeah, it would be nice to have some more stocks of Digital, but I was a little bit scared because of their China thing and all this stuff. But we can see it's not that bad if you make 100% or 200% in 1 week. Who cares whether it's risky or not? Yeah, so I don't I don't I don't think a lot about the risks anymore at Digital. I will invest in them like in the other ones. And if there is something, okay, bad luck. It is how it is. They are all very risky. And yeah, I have to say, these are no blue chip stocks or so. For example, I think today or yesterday, Peter Wall from Argo sold some shares or so. Um, these things happen with these stocks. They will dilute like crazy. I think Mara is diluting right now big time to pay their miner purchase. These are no blue chip stocks. They do ugly things. They do crazy things. But today they all drop, or the most of them drop because it's end of the year, so it's red. It's not beautiful right now, but there are days where they move 100% up, so that's why we're in. And I think 2021 is going to be a very good year for these stocks. But let's continue with this here. I decreased my Bitfarms position because they were big time in green, and I shifted them into Mara because I expected after the mining news there, the purchase of these new miners, they will grow, but they declined the stock price, so that was a bad move. Okay, I sold some Riots because I was very green with Riot, but I think my position is now too small. So what I'm doing after New Year, I will increase my Riot position again. I will increase my Mara position because I think they have a big potential now with these additional miners they ordered. I think I will decrease a little bit my Argo and Hut8 positions here because they are now very big, and together these both are like 60% of my portfolio. So that's a little bit too much for me right now. I think Argo and Hut8 they will do great. In my BMX model, they are number 1 and 2. But I want to be a little bit more diversified, so I will move into Mara and Riot, I guess. And Hive, not yet, I think so. Bitfarms, not. Maybe a little bit more into Digital. And yeah, I think that I will shift a little bit to the American stocks right now. But yeah, I'm very happy in this week. It's nice, and it's gonna be a nice 2021, I guess. So what I want to show you is the stock to flow model here from Plan B. And we can see here this blue line is the model, and this is the price of Bitcoin, and we surpassed the stock to flow model with 3,000 US dollars. The model is right now at 25,000 USD, and we're at above 28,000 right now. So that's why my model, where I calculated the stock price forecast, we are right now above my model. So that's great news, because I took these prices here in my model, and then I added the stock to flow cross asset model, which I want to show you here. Here we are still below. The model is right now at 44,000 USD, and we are at 28, 29,000. So there's a lot. There's a gap still here. But when we look into the last bull market here, 2017, we can see here that we come close, or we top this line here, and then we fall back here. We did it again. So I expect something like this, like we go to 40 or 50, maybe 60K. This is my expectation. I could be wrong, but I don't expect a 30 or 40% drop right now. I think we have to go a lot higher. I expect something like this here. We touch the line or surpass it for short term, then we fall back and do it like this. So, and then is when the stock to flow cross saddle is included in my model. After the 100,000, I added this line here up to 200K. So like here. So there's my model. But we can see here in this model, we overshooted the price here. So if we overshoot this 288K, which is this line here, we're going a lot higher, like 300, 400K. We don't know, but that's also a possibility. But right now we are below this model. We have to track it. We have to watch it. But it's going to be very exciting, I guess. Okay, so that was the stock to flow. Let's check something else here. Okay, here is the model again. And yeah, let's move to the prices here right now. Bitcoin, a new all-time high today, but right now everything is in red. Only Bit Digital is green here, and Riot a little bit. I think it's the end of the year. Oh, also EtherCap, my new investment, is 6% in green here right now. I mean, it's the end of the year, and a lot of people are cashing out at the end of the year because of taxes and all these things, and they want to be safe over the next few holidays. So yeah, especially the Canadian stock are red here, but they are still consolidating and relaxed because of them. I think in January they will pick up again with the Bitcoin price. So it's interesting they don't move exactly like Bitcoin. There was a day where Bitcoin was 1% red and the other ones the stocks were all 25% in green. So these things happen. Today it's maybe a little bit the opposite. Bitcoin is stable and the stocks are in minus. So we have to think about trading these things. Also, when one stock is in green, like Bit Digital here, and the others in red, we can to swap a little bit. So I think next year we have to think a lot about these trading strategies. For example, Argo was 200% up in one day, and I sold only a small amount. It would be a lot more smart to sell like 30, 40% or so when they're up like crazy. So we have to think about these trading strategies, and this is my 2021 target, to get better in these daily tradings, in the day trading, because you can increase your position big because they're so volatile, these stocks. But here I want to show you here my little model. Here we go to 200,000 at the end of 2021. I think we're on track. It looks like we're going up faster. So on the log scale here, it looks very conservative, the 200K. If we go to the not the log scale, the other scale, I forgot the name. You know, I don't know. So here it looks a little bit more. Yeah, it looks crazy. People cannot believe this if they see it the first time. But we had it here in 2013 and 2017. We had the same, and I expect something like this. Going to be very interesting whether we get there or not. Also here the RSI looks very bullish. Last time we passed the 70 mark here in the RSI. Then there was the big bull run here in 2017 in front of us. Also MACD, we are higher now than 2017, like the price. So this is very bullish everything. There will be pullbacks, big pullbacks, but yeah, relax. We will, it will, there will be a lot of buyers there, a lot of algorithms of these institutions. Okay, let's jump on here. Let's go to my Twitter account. So if you're not a follower, please follow me. I post every day some tweets here. And yeah, it's right now 347 followers. So thank you very much for this. This is great. It's a good motivation for me. Also in YouTube here, right now I have 888 subscribers right now. That's great. Thank you very much for subscribing. I think we will pass in 3 or 4 days the 1,000 subscriber mark. That's very good for me, and we're a very good community with a lot of good comments here. You're helping me because I'm not God or something like this. I do a lot of mistakes every day with these stocks. Sometimes I do good trades, but sometimes I do bad trades. And I think with this community, we can grow and we can, yeah, have some power to be successful in this crazy market. And yeah, the most important thing is that you stay relaxed. If there's some drops like today, if you're in red right now, it is how it is. Next year is going to be insane. It's going to be 2021, and it's going to be a very good year for us. So stay here, watch the videos, and I think we are going to be very successful. But yeah, guys, I think that's it for today. I wish you a happy new year, and I wish you health. I wish you happiness and all this stuff. And we see us in the year 2021, which is gonna be big and insane. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.